Today's video is about my first subway trip. Stay with me till the end. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more Noor stories.
Don't worry, Noor. It's just a traffic jam.
But Dad is taking forever. I'm worried.
I know, sweetie. We'll be late for Grandma's lunch.
Doody doody down down subway fast fast. Doody doody down down subway fast fast.
Wow, what a busy station.
Look at all the signs. So many people.
It's an adventure.
Stay close, kids. Don't get lost.
Okay, watch this. First, we pick adult.
Wow, cool. Can I try?
Next time, buddy. Now for the money.
Yay, a ticket. Look what I got. It's a golden ticket. I'm so excited.
This map is so confusing.
Which line do we take?
I have no idea.
Me neither.
See the rainbow map? Each color is a different train. We're taking the blue line to downtown.
The blue one. Blue line, go, go!
All right, let's get through here. There we go. Easy peasy. Noor, not that one. The right scanner.
Oh, I thought it was the left one.
No, see? This one here.
Wow, so loud! Oh, say yes!
Stand behind the yellow line.
Okay, Mom.
Good. Stay back for safety.
Excuse us, please.
Thank you for waiting. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay, everyone, let's make some space.
Good idea. Mine's coming off.
Me too. This is heavy. There we go. Much better.
Perfect.
Excuse me, Grandma. This seat is empty for you.
Oh, bless you, dear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Noor.
You're welcome, Grandma.
Your kindness means the world.
Noor, that was so kind of you. Kindness is cool.
Thanks, Dad.
Excuse me, please.
Excuse us.
Excuse me. Exit 3.
Everyone holding on tight?
Yes, we're all safe.
This is so cool. Higher and higher.
Hold the rail, kids.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
It really is. The fresh air feels amazing.
Welcome home, everyone. I knew the roast chicken would bring you back.
It smells amazing, Grandma.
Come on in, dinner's ready.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Noor Daily English stories. See you next time.